Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm turning 5 thrifted finds into high-end decor on a budget. I'll show you simple DIYs, budget-friendly flips, and creative ways to make your home feel elegant and cozy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, I am taking this decorative board and turning it into a beautiful high-end wood look piece using just paint. I started by priming the wood in white to completely block out the original design. Once that dried, I painted it with a coat of beige paint and then brushed on some brown antiquing wax to give it a beautiful faux wood finish. This one works really well as a decorative board. I'm using it in a cluster of decor leaning up against my backsplash on my kitchen counter. Next, I found this marble slab at the thrift store. I find that marble is not as easy to find when thrifting, so I was quite happy with this. The wood detail on the side of the board had a pretty rough, unfinished texture to it, and I wanted to tone down the contrast between the two shades of wood on it. So I painted on a couple layers of white wax and then wiped the excess right back off again with a paper towel. There wasn't much I needed to do to this one, it was already beautiful as it was. The next thrifted item I'm flipping today is this large framed piece of art. I really liked the art in the frame, so I only needed to wipe it down, but I did want to update the frame a bit. I started by painting this yellow-green matting around the artwork with a black acrylic paint. It had a velvet texture to it and was difficult at first to get the paint to completely cover it, so I watered my paint down quite a bit and then it went on much smoother. After that dried, I went in with some Rub and Buff in a European gold finish and used a rag to lightly buff it in the whole way around the frame. Next, I wanted to turn a thrifted book into a neutral piece of shelf decor. I started by choosing a book with a nice texture to the edges of the pages so that it would have a nice high-end aged look once it was completed. I took some cotton canvas fabric and glued it to the cover of the book with some tacky glue and hot glue. Just be sure to take your time and smooth out any wrinkles as you go. This simple, beautiful, finished book has a linen look to it, similar to some decorative books that I've seen at Pottery Barn. Lastly, I found this cute little garlic pot at Goodwill. I wanted to tone down the orange a bit and give it a more aged look, so I took my white wax and brushed it on and wiped it right back off again with a paper towel. I started by testing it on the bottom, and once I was sure I was happy with the look of it, I did about 3 coats around the whole pot. This makes a cute and functional little piece of kitchen decor. And that's it! If you enjoyed these projects, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more thrifted and DIY decor ideas. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!